Hi, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In this video, let me tell you how to use wrist temperature data in health application. To use wrist temperature data in Apple Health application, you should wear your compatible Apple Watches to bed. So let me show you how to view your wrist temperature data in health application. You want to go to Browse tab in the bottom right corner of your screen. Now let's select the body measurement section, and here tap on wrist temperature. So here you will see this chart with your data, and additionally you can filter it by weeks, by month, and by 6 months. So yeah, that is basically it. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.